Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the world of pool maintenance with a review of what we consider the best solar cover straps on the market. If you're a pool owner looking to simplify your life, stay tuned because this might be exactly what you need. Introducing the TEENGSE Solar Cover Reel Attachment Kit. Designed to make life easier for in-ground pool owners, this kit comes with everything you need to securely fasten your pool blanket to its reel. Let's break down what makes these straps stand out. First off, the materials. These straps are made from high-quality nylon, ensuring durability under sunlight and water exposure. The cord plates and buckles? They're rugged plastic, built to last. Installation? A breeze. No need to spend hours figuring it out. Just follow the straightforward instructions and you're good to go. The Velcro heads make removing the cover a cinch, and the adjustable buckles ensure a snug fit every time. What does this mean for you? It means saving time on pool maintenance so you can spend more time enjoying your pool. Plus, it fits a wide range of pool sizes and cover types, making it versatile for most American homes. In conclusion, if you're looking to upgrade your pool setup, the TEENGSE Solar Cover Reel Attachment Kit is a solid choice. It's durable, easy to install, and designed with your convenience in mind. Don't forget to check the description below for more details and where to buy. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Product Critique for more reviews like this, and hit the bell icon for notifications. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.